Hello friends, this is Sree from TechieTalksAI, and today I'm going to show you something extremely powerful. How to build your own web-powered AI research agent. This is not just another chatbot demo. This is an agent that can search the web in real time, cite resources, distinguish facts from opinions, and produce clean, scannable research summaries. This project is official cookbook examples of Gemini and Agno. I have refined it into a clean portfolio-ready version that you can build right now. Remember, 2026 is full of opportunities for those who can work with AI tools. And at Schogini Systems, we guide you one-on-one through your AI journey. Visit shogini.com/mentor expert to get personalized mentorship. Let's get started. What you will learn in this video, by the end of this video, you will understand what a research agent is and why companies need it, how Gemini 3 Pro model is used with web search, how Agno framework helps you structure an AI agent, how to run the complete Python project on your own machine, how to extend this to your own SaaS or internship portfolio. What is a research agent? A research agent is not a normal chatbot. A chatbot responds from its internal training, but a research agent searches the web, fetches the latest facts, summarizes information, adds citations, filters outdated or opinion-based content. In short, it transforms an LLM into a real-world assistant that produces verified, up-to-date answers. We will use the following tech stack, that is Python, Gemini 3 Pro. You get access to free API key from Google Gemini website or Google's Cloud Studio. It's very easy to get. Please watch our previous video that covered the Gemini Pro features. And we will also use Agno agent framework. It is very nice, very easy to use, very popular. And we will also use .env Python library to parse the API key using .env file. And we will also use UV to run the Python code and also manage our packages. We have covered a detailed video on UV Python package manager instead of pip. So on a fresh folder, we type UV init after installing UV. And we will install the dependencies UV, add Agno library, Google-Gen AI library, and Python .env libraries. And the API key is placed in .env. So if you see in this folder, I have .env file that has the Google API key. I'm not showing it. It has just one line, Google_API_key equal to the API key that you get from the Google's AI Cloud Studio. I've also done UV init to initialize the environment. It says already initialized. Okay, so how do we run it? UV run Python. URL to this script I will share in the description. UV run Python cookbook examples Gemini 3 research agent. So this is the question. What are the latest breakthroughs in quantum computing this year? Let's wait for it to complete. See, it is getting the latest information. Year 2025 has been a pivotal one for quantum computing, and nicely formatted research output it gives, and then it gives us a summary and also the citations. Okay, so it has generated a research output. Now what we're going to do is we'll look at the script. So here we have the script. At the top, we import the needed Python libraries. So these are the two lines that we need to get the API key from our .env file. This line imports the load_.env library from .env. So this imports .env library as load_.env and then executes this, which loads the .env and populate the environment variables. This is the section where we create the agent. This uses Agno's Agentic library. And this is just the name for the agent. And here we are using Gemini 3 Pro, which is incredible model from Google, which was released just last week. And this line is significant. It says search equal to true, which means we are allowing the agent, or we are instructing the agent to search the web for latest information. That is it, just one flag. And here we are setting the description. Again, this is for information purpose only. And this is where you can shine by providing your customized research prompt. So here, search the web and provide well-researched responses. And with every response, you must include citations with URLs when available. Distinguish facts from opinions. This is another very important instruction. And note if information may be outdated. And start with a concise answer, then provide supporting details, and keep the responses focused and scannable with clear headings so that we can quickly scan through the results to validate. And we are also providing a SQLite to save the response. Add date time to the context, add history to the context. We are also saving the conversation history, and the output should be marked down. And Agno's documentation has all the details about these flags. So this is a very small script, just around 40 lines, and you have the agent ready. Here, we run the agent, passing our question. That is it. Why this project is a career booster? This single project shows AI engineering skills, agentic architectures, web augmented LLMs, prompt engineering discipline, real-time citation-based research, clean API and Python code structure. This should be included in your portfolio if you are aiming for AI roles in 2026. So we can extend this project by using Fast API backend and a web UI frontend. We have made several videos on this. If you wish to see this project converted into a web application, please let us know. You can add custom tools like PDF generation so that you can create a nicely formatted PDF file as the output. Persistent database, we have already added persistence to this using SQLite, but we can also make this more powerful by adding a PostgreSQL database. We can also add authentication and rate limiting when you deploy this as a SaaS solution. We have covered extensively on authentication and rate limiting. Please let us know how you want us to extend this project. So that is your complete overview of the web-powered AI research agent. This single project can showcase your AI readiness as we step into 2026, the biggest AI opportunity wave yet. If you want private one-on-one mentorship to repurpose your career or build a project that matter, visit Schogini.com and click on the Mentor Expert link. Your valuable suggestions matter. Comment what topic you want next. Please like the video, share it with your tech friends, and subscribe to Techie Talks AI. This is Sree signing off. Let's build and grow together. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Apply these tips and level up today. Smash like if it helped. Subscribe to Techie Talks AI for deep dive and drop your biggest challenge in comments. Ready for personalized one-to-one Zoom sessions? I mentor just few students on cloud, coding, DevOps, no-code solution, AI agents, or electronics, tailored to your goals. Limited slots. Book via the link in the description before it's gone. See you in the next video.